ready? Go.
Okay.
All right. Could you give us your name?
My name is Millicent Bailey from Florida.
Florida. Coming all the way from Florida to Grand Prairie. How did you enjoy this auto training course?
This auto training course has been, I would say, a career changer for me because I was looking on the other side, like property, but learning, about hailstorms and how the hail can damage the car and how to assess the hail damage and dents on the vehicle has been an eye-opener for me. So I'm very, very excited to learn, and I've learned how that process is done on a claim, so yes.
And on the field trip, what is one key takeaway that you got from going to the auto body shop?
So at the auto body shop on the field trip, I was able to use the dent shield to assess dents that I could not see with my naked eye. I was able to even learn the chicken dance to cover, places that I wasn't able to see naturally with my eyes. And of course, how to take pictures of the vehicle. So I'm able to scope the vehicle in real time, up close, and so much different things, how the headliners are taken down to really, if I have to PDR different acronyms in auto claim adjusting. That is really something that real life experience give to you that you cannot learn virtually, because you're able to see it and put your hand on it. Yes.
Well, we thank you for coming to the auto training course. We wish you nothing but success on your journey as an adjuster.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to be here. And of course, shout out to, the team that put this together. And of course, insurance adjuster now.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks so much.